Love light from me, Zelda, to you. I do different series about mental health. Today, it's going to be about insecurities, the series about the first type of insecurity, and that is emotional insecurity. You're more than welcome to look at my series 1 about true love, series 2 about self love, series 3 about the self esteem. Where does emotional insecurity comes from? It comes usually from fear of abandonment and constant worry about the future instead of living day by day and enjoy today. This is my insecurity. It sometimes comes from a person that has hard time expressing themselves, their emotions, as well as or is it good in expressing? I'm very bad in expressing. Or is it not good in expressing yourself of themselves? So they're always worried to lose a person of through a wrong expression or doing something wrong. Especially when you've been rejected as a child or been bullied, endured a lot of rejection. Stop feeling like a burden. I myself sometimes feel like a burden because of my disability that was caused by my first husband, my late ex husband, where I injured my nerve and my back, my lower back. Also, I'm half deaf because I lost my one ear. And that all made me feel I'm a burden to people because I can't work out there. I barely do basic things in life. And I have to space it because I live with chronic pain, which makes you tired. There's days that I can't even do anything without my body going to shock because it's tired of the pain. Maybe someone else has insecurity, maybe even my teeth. I'm very self aware of it because I lost it from abuse. There's people that is in a wheelchair. There's people that lost an eye, an arm, a leg, and they start to feel that they can't take care fully of themselves and feel a burden, and that can become emotional insecurity. And we should actually accept and show love like Jesus showed love to everyone, because that's what I know. I would love people stop staring at me and looking and behind my back or even in my presence. It breaks down a person. Don't do to others that you don't want to be done to you. And I constantly have to remind myself about this. It does not make you a burden to the right people. Stop avoiding confrontations because it only will make you sick of cropping up emotions. But learn how to talk to others and to other persons. It's supporting and helping. Talk about your emotions. If you're scared, choose the one person you feel emotionally safe and learn to trust it. Don't keep it inside because it turns into bitterness. It turns into this total depression. Helping each other is to do the right way. Solve it. Don't run from it. If you feel neglected, talk to the person who are in your life and say, listen, I feel neglected. I start doing it because I had somebody wonderful that taught me that this year. I actually learned a lot from him. He taught me to talk about it, to bring it under awareness and then together handle it. And instead of dismissing it, that's why I say the right people won't dismiss you. They will help you, they will teach you, they will help you grow, they will help you work through these insecurities, and you will never be too much for the right person. Follow, like, and share. Please comment also feedback. I would appreciate it. Love and light and blessings. Until the next one. Insecurities called who knows. Come check in on the next video to know what is the next insecurity.